through them a blood clot try prep me. Them a try throw me and them a try blood clot jerk me. But it not go work. I can't read that right. I'm have a life for myself where I can go push my own blood clot life and tack out on my clean mouth. Yeah. So guess what? I read the file wrong. The mix up will not come with it not go work. Dash that and wheel and come again. Big up yourself, Lady Foxy and everybody.
You put me in the comments, look, dog. I was understand with Erica, son of money. Boy, me I tell a man, say, me telling the judgment, I come someone keep destroying my nice comment, them. Yes, Anne Marie. So how the person gets the conversation. So how the person get the conversation. Erica affirmed last night. Them I try. Oh, it go. Why? I tell you something. That time, but dear, not trust your own. Me not trust none of them over here. Right? I have nothing to do with no fake page right now. It's just Tina and Dari have a little and it just explode and then it just
yes, I wasn't here for that, but I'm telling.
And a liar, the whole of them fake. Made in China, the whole of them fake.
That's what I'm
Every war we out here, sometimes the war on my war and people inbox me and them come with this and that and them drop the exit and that and me come out and me fight like a blood clot jail on my war. And me come either me stop the war or me pull up the war. And when me a war, people stay behind the fence and them go like them innocent and white, them not see the war and them white. So when me do, me learn from the best and me learn for know say me hold my corner and me not fight nobody war for them. Every girl fight them own candle, every girl dash out them candle. Cause 99 of the time, the war not have nothing to do with me. Cause me say, nothing where Red Bull come out with this nothing at all because she don't know nothing about me. PR war and a war. For them war where people are bring upon them when they can't take the war and them can't take the heat and them shame of the things that people are say. Remember me is a dog shit, you know. Nobody can bring me down because me already bring down myself already. And them run come and me rescue them. Most of the time me out here war, it's supposed to war now. But then at the day, I just leave everything. I realize everybody fake. They made a China. So when me try to do, I'm grown. I'm not interested. If me argue, me argue, I'm gone about my business. Me no friend thing with nobody. Me no inbox with nobody. Me no dealings with nobody. Me no depend that with none of them, boy. And them two blood clot, the live account now to come back. Two bomber clad fake. People in the comment section for true. Them love mix up too much. Then at the day, real recognize real. So then at the day, remember the real situation expose fake people. Them two terrible man, them for tappy man.